Yeah. All right, this is the jump over a log. Hold the speed. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's awesome, huh? Whoa, hold the corner. Whoa, whoa. 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 And this is the, you gotta run an engine apart. This is where you gotta run an engine and redo it. But that's pretty sweet, huh? Oh, don't high side. You should be able to find it again. I think I can make it from here. Come on, come on. Come on. I got such low air pressure in these tires. Like 9 in the front. 5.9 in the rear. Like he's catching up to me. It's that low PSI. There's a jump up here, right? Here we go. Wow, yeah. Woo. Haha. And another one. Whoa. And a berm. Oh, a little rear brake. Ah! Almost went off. This microdose is awesome. Oh, don't. Oh, let off, let off. Oh, gonna make it. Oh, you're, yeah, my super low PSI is killing me, huh? That jump was awesome though.
Oh man, I had to pull up like I've never pulled up.
No, you gotta compress more at the bottom. You gotta compress more at the bottom and it won't have to. You gotta time it, you know what I mean? Whoa. Whoa, you gotta trust that front. That front tire, right? Get that weight on it, turn. Yeah. Whoa, into the log. Woo! Whoa. There's another jump up here on the right. You gotta get lots of speed. Whoa, shit! There it is, there it is. Compress! Compress! See? Woo! Whoa! At the tree! Isn't that hilarious? Keep it going! A little sandy here. Whoa! Whoa! No berm here. Whoa! You have good trust in your tires. Set up suspension. Riding, moving upper body. Whoa! You like trying to slow down or what? There we go, dropping in. It's a jump, little jump. Whoa. I'm pulling away. This is where that Ohlins is gonna kill him. He'll be hanging on anyways. No brakes, I think. There's like one little spot. It's really sketchy for that though. Coming up here, right here. Oh, no! Holy shit! Whoa! Look at this thing! Whoa! Oh, it breaks here though. Whoa! Oh man, that was intense! Woo! That was awesome! Yee! Freaking, that was so smooth. So smooth. Smooth. This is Dirtbike Survivor, man. I think it's April 29th. Oh, there's one last little, whoa! Just lean into it. Out of the trail. This is where I always would stop. Yeah! Ah, good job.
That's funny.
Oh man, that last section, tried to do no brakes, and you were behind me. You saw me. You hit that root.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, I hope I don't hit too high and hit the tree.
Yeah.
And the rest of it on that Ohlins is so smooth.
Oh, it's super smooth.
Yeah, super smooth. Super smooth. Oh, there you go. At least he's got a kickstand.